Hello, okay. Oh, there's a mirror. Okay. Oh, okay. So, hi, we're gonna be looking at a couple, different, like, gorilla-related games, but this is the first one. It's called, um, Chimp Zoo. It's on SideQuest. You can get it for free. No. Yes, this is on SideQuest. Alright. So, this is where I spawned at first. Welcome to Chimp Zoo. And by the way, help me notice jman. I'm trying to get him to play with me, so if you sub, that would really help. So yeah, let's get back on. Okay, so there's a ramp. Oh, so it looks like they have different areas. So let's see if. Oh, huh? Can you hug climb? You can pinch climb. I called it hug climbing. Okay, you can't really wall rush. Oh, you guys don't know what wall rushing is. Alright, so wall rushing is like, yeah, like exactly like that. You run to a wall and you run up it. Yeah, but you see, I'm getting better at it. And this is the same exact physics as Gorilla Attack, so you can do exactly what I did in Gorilla Attack. So it looks like they just have a lot of platforms. But yeah, that's pretty much all over here, other than the mirror and stuff. Alright, so the first gorilla's house is over here. Literally nothing. And then over here we have a couple stones. I don't know what's wrong with my hand. Why are there these rings? I don't know. But we got some good shaped stones. Yeah. Sus. I know. I'm amazing. But can you touch this monkey? Oh, you can touch his hat. Okay, what does long arms look like in this? Okay, right now I'm using fake long arms, and it just feels it's normal. Yeah, but no, that's all there is to the game. Oh, but I do want to find out if they have borders. I don't think they do because, like, they have this at an angle where nobody can climb up it, really. But you already know I can't, kind of. Okay, never mind. I think they might have a border. Yeah, no, that's hard. Let's go over here to see if they have a border. So, I was going to do 4 gorilla-related games, but I had to stick with 3 because, like, one of them, which was floppa.io, wasn't loading. I have one loading right now, or maybe it's done right now. But okay, this is Chimp Zoo, and oh, I think you can. Okay, that's funny. Is it? What can I say? Okay, so I give Chimp Zoo for gameplay. It's pretty boring, so. But if you play this with other people, it would be more fun. I'm gonna give it a 5.5 out of 10. Okay, maybe a 4. 4.5. Yes, 4.5 out of 10. But like based on creativity, maybe I'll like a 6.5 because there's a lot of things to do. If you played this with friends, I would raise those like quite a bit, especially if you're over there by the temp house. Yeah. So let's get to the next game, which is let me see. It hasn't downloaded yet, so we're gonna go to this other one, Gorilla Soccer. Hold up, let me just check whenever this one's done. So it's like I say. Oh well, I guess we're gonna get Spider Monkey. Yep, Spider Monkey. All right. We can just let that load, and then we're gonna go do gorilla soccer. I think they're all published, but I'm not sure. Let's check it out. Gorilla soccer. All right. I don't know how to edit though, so if that part's still in where I'm going through the apps, I have it from note. Okay, so single player mode. You play with bots. You're on the blue team. Okay, this is cool. Oh, I like that. Alright, we're in the single mode. Let's go. Do these guys move? Woo! Scored. Ooh, I like the. It thinks I'm a goalie, I think. Come on now. Oh, you pressed the trigger. Oh, buddy. Over here. Blue. Blue. Buddy. Go get the ball. Come on, monkey. Oh, you funny run. That's funny. We're gonna let the bots do the work right now. Oh. Shoot. But what happens if I go out? By the way, jman, if you want to, you can play this with me. But overall, this game is fine. It would be better if, like, you had less amount of players and you just invited your friends. I might even play this with some of my friends later, but those models are terrible. Give me the ball, man! What is happening? Come here. Get over here. Come on, monkey. Alright, we're gonna do a couple of this. We're gonna do one. Oh, come on. Until I score, man. No! No! Eh! Come on. Alright. Last time, if I don't score this, next game. Alright, let's go. Zooey, mama. Alright, let's go to the next game. The last, final game. Unknowns versus Spider Monkey. No gorillas, only Spider Monkey. Oh, that's the guy's monkey. That's not Spider Monkey. Spider Monkey. Oh, I saw hands. Oh, my body. Oh, look at the mouth. It's moving. Okay, so this is goofy. Okay, first public release of Spider Monkey. Pog. Very pog. You can stick to walls with your head. Okay. Buy me 5 bananas. Barbecue bacon burger. Okay. Okay, I like what they did here. So that you can just get back up. Oh, yeah, so you told. That's hilarious. I like this game. Oh, I forgot to rate Gorilla Soccer. Honestly, the bots is an easy 6.5 out of 10. For creativeness, I'm gonna give that an 8.5. For availability, I'm gonna give it a 10. Even though not a lot of people might know about that, but they'll find out eventually if they watch this video. Oh, you can. So, oh, what is that? But yeah, no. Gorilla Soccer. If you played that with friends, it would be a blast. Yeah, with friends. Well, overall, I give Gorilla Soccer a 9 out of 10. Come on. Oh, this is like some sort of backrooms. Was this underwater? Oh. Oh, yeah, that's so you. He should play this with me and Trout. Okay, I like this game. I wonder if like you can branch and stuff. Let me find a good route. Okay. Oh shoot, it's hard. Wow, I am like VMT. I'm a hill, but I hit that really hard. Barely sent me anywhere. Okay, be careful with that. All right. I'm not gonna go with my original route because I have no idea where it is. I love this game already. I just need some people to play it with. Mia, let me put it for some girls. Okay, I think you can glitch into these walls, so. Mia, let me put it for some girls she used to know. We have lemonade. Sorry. Overall, I love this one. Probably the best. The second. This is probably one of the best ones that we've reviewed today. But no, it's not as good as Gorilla Soccer. Overall, this is gonna be my new favorite game. That's like not soccer wise. Whenever we do more of these, we're gonna look for some ones that are gonna be better than this. Okay, so overall, I give Spider Monkey a grand total of drumroll please. What is this? Cactus. Drumroll please. A total of 7.5 out of 10. I think it's amazing. They should add so much more. They should add the other map that it looks like they're gonna plan to do up here. If I actually get it to it, right here, maybe we can take a couple looks. Oh, maybe it's an obby. Alright. Spider Monkey tag. Amazing. So, that's the end of my video. Don't forget sub. I want to pass J-Man in subs. I need to be J-Man. J-Man, where are you? Notice me. Now.